backup, half-witted, scruffy-looking nerf herder.
Hey everyone, I've got another one of Lord Blako's sound font reviews that I want to showcase. So this one, along with Next Door, were ones that I had to have back in the day when I got that Sith itch. You know what I'm saying? When I was just feeling down and dirty and I was like, I want to cut up some Jedi. No, I've loved these dark side sound fonts. When I first started in the hobby, I, like many other people, thought that there was only one lightsaber sound until I looked through saberfont.com and I was like, hold on. There's hundreds of them, and that just got me even more excited. But I definitely really enjoy the idea of dark side sounding fonts, and I haven't really showcased them more. I usually lean more towards a Jedi sound font. It's just I don't know, it's just the way it rolls. But that's not to say I don't love a dark side, aggressive, nasty, angry Sith sound font. So today's video is going to be Pitch Black. Pitch Black is a nasty sound font, and I love it. Just like Next Door, I think I purchased Next Door and I purchased Pitch Black in the same checkout window back in the day, and I was like, this is going to be the greatest day ever. I've got it on CFX, as always. You can go to saberfont.com, Lord Blako, I'll leave a link in the description. You can go get this optimized for your soundboard, whether it be Profi, CFX, what have you. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This thing is gnarly.
Pitch Black.
Pitch Black. And again, I'm a sucker for prions and post-offs. If they're on here, I throw them on here. I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure they are. Love that one. Ooh, these swings are crisp. Let's get that accent. Oh my goodness, this font is loud and I love it. Oh yeah, the clashes are really cool. It always reminded me of like a rattlesnake or something like that. Wait, kind of. Oh man, this is a powerful font, man. It's aggressive. Let's go ahead and put that blade in there because this thing will dance once I put that blade up. This sounds so strong, man. I love it. Yeah, the clashes have always stuck out because they sound like just that energy escaping, but almost like it's crawling away like some kind of alien scorpion. Not alien scorpion, but it's like some kind of alien rattlesnake. Just I love it so much. It's so different. Let's treat this one right. That swing sounds so good. Oh man, that is a lot of fun for a dark side sound font. Man, it's so powerful, and it just sounds so it sounds so good. It's so dangerous. It's that's so Sith, you know what I mean? That's just so Sith of that sound font to sound that gnarly. It does, man. Just those accent swings are raw. Oh man, what a good time. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That is Pitch Black by Lord Blako. Go out there to saverfont.com, support, like I've been saying. The fact that he's updating some of these older fonts that I was a huge fan of back then and severely missed when we started getting Smooth Swing. I was like, oh god, could you? That's how I was back in the day. I was like, man, could you imagine Pitch Black? Could you imagine Next Door Smooth Swing? Like that was my thing. I was like, I can't wait. And I'm a little late to the party. Obviously, he's done it for a minute, but I'm glad to finally have that come to life for me. So it was a lot of fun. If you guys enjoyed those fonts back in the day, do not hesitate to go do it. Don't waste time like I did and go get those fonts. That'll do it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. More to come. Thank you again for your comments, your subscriptions. I hope you guys have enjoyed the content, and I enjoy bringing you guys more content all the time. So we'll keep this train rolling as long as you guys like me. No, as long as you guys are having a good time, I'll keep this channel going. So thanks again. Until next video, may the force be with you.
You will go to the Dagobah system.
Who's scruffy looking?